Hello, I'm Cal.
And I'm Marvin, and you're watching
Kids News Today!
Today is the finale of our series of the YMCA of Greater Des Moines.
We have been following the 2016 annual campaign all month.
And later in the show, we'll be reviewing the final dollars raised.
The annual campaign helps raise money for people in need. Volunteers have been working around the clock to reach their $1.5 million goal.
Today we will have a special guest in the studio. Dan is the chair of the entire campaign.
He's the head dude. Thanks for being here, Dan.
Tell us, how are you feeling?
Well, first of all, thank you very much for having me here on the set of this great broadcast, very popular, I've heard. Both of you, for the work that you've done here, but I will tell you, I feel just like Tony the Tiger. I feel great!
Dan, what was your favorite part of being involved in this campaign this year?
Again, another excellent question, Cal. I have to tell you, my favorite part was actually being involved with all of the people that I had a chance to meet that worked so hard on the campaign.
Anything you'd like to say to the volunteers before we show the final results?
There absolutely is, Marlon. On behalf of all of the employees of the YMCA, on behalf of myself and all of the members of the committee, I just want to tell you thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for everything that you did. Thank you for all of the joy that you're going to bring to the folks that benefit from this campaign. Thank you.
Everyone, can I get a drum roll, please? Congratulations to the volunteers helping the YMCA reach its goal. They will be able to impact thousands of people in the community.
Thanks for making a difference.
Be sure to tune in next week when we'll be beginning our series on the Blank Park Zoo,
where we'll be interviewing Penny the Pig
on